Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you guys something a little bit different. Just like the title said, today's tutorial. So this is going to be a little bit longer than my usual videos, but I hope you guys like it and find it fun. This is something I came up with as a hack because I was trying to demonstrate how you could easily load up a model, a Pytorch model into FastAPI and use it right away. Especially for rapid prototyping or if you're at a hackathon, this is something that is absolutely phenomenal to try out. And I think it'll be very easy to extend this code into something you could put into an actual Docker container, which I've done before, and kind of work with this. So today we are going to be looking at how you can take any model, pretty much any model, from the Pytorch hub, which is a great repository of so many pre-trained models available right inside Pytorch, and put it inside a quick and easy API so you can just go ahead and run it like a web app and get your results back. So the model I've chosen today is something that detects the depth of objects within a scene, and this seems to have done a pretty good job. It's called the DPT large model within the Vision models, the Midas model series, out of which I'm using the DPT large model. And the great thing is I'm doing this all out of Colab. So you can check out the notebook, the Colab notebook I've made in the link above. And now let's get into the tutorial bit of it. So anybody who just wants to experiment around with it could very easily check out the notebook. But anybody who wants to dive in deeper, follow me. So first, of course, we install the requirements, some pretty standard things for your Vision model, FastAPI, stuff like that. But the cool packages which allow me to run this in Colab like an API come in here, which is Nest Async IO, which allows me to run a asynchronous task inside a Google Colab, or well, I think a Jupyter notebook in general, and PyNgrok. Now what ngrok is a mechanism for you to create a HTTP or HTTPS tunnel, like a public URL, if you might, which you can see right here above, from your local machine to anywhere on the internet without actually having to expose your local machine to the internet. It's great because Google Colab doesn't allow you to expose its IP addresses publicly, but using ngrok, you can very easily do that. Let's dive deeper now into the model itself. So the model, the way I work around it is very simple. First, I load it up, which is right here. I pre-process its input image, which I accept using a upload file input class. And you can follow the code along here in the FastAPI tutorials. Then I run the prediction with the model set in evaluation, which you can see that it's pretty straightforward. I load the model, I load it onto my GPU. This is running a GPU, so that's one of the big advantages, that you get free GPUs in Google Colab, and so you can just use that to see whether you can, when you're rapidly prototyping, or especially if you're at a hackathon, to run this in a Colab notebook. Eval, and then return the model. Eval means that it's no longer training, so it won't like update and use expensive processing power and stuff like that. And then I post-process it and I return it as an image back to the browser, which is what you all see here. And that's pretty much it. Besides that, there's only one API endpoint which has just the HTML, the basic HTML, which I'm returning for the upload button and stuff like that. So when you run it, it downloads the model from the Pytorch hub, which is here. You can see the instructions on how to actually run this without that, or open it in Google Colab yourself separately. And then we create an authentication for ngrok. Now you can just insert your token here, which you can get once you log into ngrok, and you'll see it straight away. I'll guide you there. And then you authenticate it. This way the system is actually able to create the tunnel. PyNgrok allows me to run the command which I would run in the command line /bash/zsh right inside here, and I say bind TLS to give an HTTPS port, check if it's there, and I run my app, which is running right here. Of course, remember to wrap up your ngrok connection and make sure that it's disconnected. Otherwise, I think ngrok only allows you with free package, I think 3 maybe 4 tunnels. It'll get clogged up if you're just trying to rapidly experiment and stuff like that. And that's that. You get this web app, you have it deployed, you can upload any image to it. So the original image which I had was this is a shot of my workplace, and then I open it, I submit it, takes a few seconds. You can see that it has received the file, it's running the model, it's sending it back, and voila, that's that. Let me know what you thought about this. If you found it useful, if you find any bugs, do let me know. And if you want me to do more content like this, less content like this, leave a comment, like, subscribe. And I hope you have a great day. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and whatever you celebrate at the end of the year. I hope the new year is amazing, and have a great rest of your day. See you around.